2,000 years ago, ancient engineers drilled more than 1,000 feet underground. They didn't use steel, engines, or metal pipes, they used bamboo. These structures weren't just temporary fixes. They were documented feats of engineering that functioned for centuries. Ancient China developed machines so precise and well-designed that some still outperform modern solutions. This isn't because we lack the technology to improve them, but because the original designs solved the underlying problems so completely. Based on archaeological findings from UNESCO sites, research from the Met Museum and Cambridge University, and ancient historical records, here are 20 inventions that prove ancient Chinese engineers operated at a level we are still striving to match. Impossible engineering. These four inventions are so sophisticated that modern engineers spent decades trying to reverse engineer their brilliance. 20. Deep borehole drilling, 2nd–3rd century CE. In 200 CE, Chinese engineers drilled wells over 2,000 to 150 feet deep, taller than the Empire State Building, using only bamboo and hand tools. In the Sichuan province, they constructed heaven carts, bamboo towers, to reach these depths, connecting them with miles of bamboo pipelines to extract salt and water. This level of drilling wouldn't become common in the West until the Industrial Revolution, over a millennium later. 19. Zhongheng seismoscope. 130 to CE. Centuries before earthquakes were understood by science, Zhongheng created a bronze device capable of detecting tremors to 150 miles away. It featured a pendulum so sensitive that ground vibrations would trigger a mechanism, causing a bronze ball to drop from a dragon's mouth into a bronze frog below, indicating the earthquake's direction. It required no electricity or maintenance and remains a masterpiece of mechanical sensitivity. 18. The south-pointing chariot. 3rd century CE. This was essentially a mechanical GPS made of wood and gears. Regardless of how the chariot turned, a wooden figure on top always pointed south. It didn't use magnets. Instead, it utilized a sophisticated differential gear system, the same technology found in modern car transmissions, to encode direction into motion. 17. The gimbal. C. 180 CE. To keep incense burners level in moving carriages, Ding Huan invented a system of rings within rings that rotated independently. This multi-axis rotation allowed the center to remain stable regardless of external movement. Today, this exact principle is used in smartphone camera stabilizers, ship compasses, and International Space Station gyroscopes. The modern warfare revolution. While other civilizations fought with basic swords, China was weaponizing chemistry and mechanics. 16. The repeating crossbow. Juge. New engineers created a crossbow capable of firing 10 bolts in 10 seconds. By using a magazine and a simple lever action, a single soldier could unleash a storm of projectiles. This was the world's first machine gun, designed to overwhelm enemies with a rate of fire that humans could manually match for another 1,500 years. 15. Chemical warfare. Song Dynasty. By mixing gunpowder with lime and arsenic, Song Dynasty engineers created poison smoke balls. These weapons produced choking, blinding clouds that cleared battlefields and terrified opposing armies. It was a highly effective use of chemistry within low-tech constraints. 14. Land and naval mines. 14th century Ming Dynasty engineers turned the terrain itself into a weapon. They developed hidden explosives triggered by tripwires and slow-burning fuses. These sky-soaring thunder systems paralyzed invading armies, such as the Mongols, who feared that any step could lead to an explosion. 13. Multi-stage rockets. Ming Dynasty. The Fire Dragon issuing from the water was a multi-stage rocket system. It used a primary rocket to launch the projectile and a secondary stage to extend its range, allowing for barrages of up to 320 rockets. This modular, multi-stage principle is the direct ancestor of modern space launch technology. The Industrial Revolution. 1,000 years. Early schools often teach that the Industrial Revolution began in 1800s Europe, but China was mass-producing iron and automating factories a millennium earlier. 12. The blast furnace. 5th century BCE. By treating iron as a flowable material that could be cast and standardized, China invented the blast furnace 2,000 years before Europe. By the Han Dynasty, they were casting hundreds of identical tools from liquid metal while the rest of the world was still hammering individual pieces by hand. 11. Double-action piston bellows. 4th century BCE. To reach the high temperatures required for iron, engineers created a two-chamber piston that pushed air on both the forward and backward strokes. This eliminated dead time and doubled efficiency. Later adapted to water power, this design is still the basis for modern air compressors and hydraulic systems. 10. The canal pound lock, 980 for CE to move heavy cargo across varying water levels. Chiao Weiyu invented the pound lock. This is the same system used by the Panama Canal today. Ships enter a chamber, gates close, water levels adjust, and the ship moves on. The physics were perfected over 1,000 years ago. 9. The Grand Canal Logistics System, 7th century China built a 1,000-mile supply line to connect the north and south. Using the Grand Canal, they managed the food supply and military movement for 60 million people. It was a continental logistics network that modern companies like Amazon still study for its efficiency. 8. Watertight bulkheads. 1st century CE Chinese shipbuilders realized that by dividing a ship into sealed compartments, a leak in one section wouldn't sink the entire vessel. In 1974, an 800-year-old ship was found with its watertight system still intact. This remains the standard for every modern naval vessel, from cruise ships to aircraft carriers, medical and scientific mysteries. While other regions relied on superstition, Chinese physicians were using forensic science and immunology. 7. Forensic entomology. 1247 CE. In the book The Washing Away of Wrongs, Song Ci documented how he solved a murder using blowflies. By realizing that flies are attracted to microscopic traces of blood on a weapon, he identified a killer's sickle when human eyes couldn't. This founded the field of forensic entomology 700 years before it appeared in the West. 6. The first vaccine. 10th century to combat smallpox. Chinese doctors practiced variolation, grinding up smallpox scabs and blowing the powder into a patient's nostril to trigger a mild, immunizing case. This saved millions of lives and established the fundamental principle of vaccination 7 centuries before Edward Jenner. 5. Susong's clock tower. 1088 CE. Susong built a 40-foot, water-powered astronomical clock that featured the world's first escapement mechanism. This is the ticking heart of every mechanical watch. His tower didn't just tell time, it was a mechanical computer that tracked stars and predicted eclipses. The global game changers. These final 5 innovations form the bedrock of modern civilization. 4. Movable type printing. 1040 CE. For 100 years before Gutenberg, Bai Sheng created movable type using modular ceramic characters. This allowed information to be rearranged and reused, paving the way for the mass spread of knowledge, the Renaissance, and the scientific revolution. 3. Paper money. 800 for CE. As trade expanded, carrying heavy metal coins became impractical. The Tang dynasty invented flying cashy paper certificates that could be deposited in one city and withdrawn in another. This evolved into state-backed currency, the foundation of every modern economy. 2. The stern post rudder. 1st century CE. To steer massive ships that side oars couldn't handle, the Chinese moved the rudder to the back, the stern. This innovation allowed for the navigation of massive vessels and long-distance ocean exploration. Every ship on the ocean today still uses this design. 1. Porcelain. 7th century Tang dynasty potters created porcelain, a waterproof, heat-resistant, and incredibly durable material. Often called white gold, it was a feat of material science that utilized kaolin clay fired at extreme temperatures. Today, we still use porcelain for everything from dental implants to high-voltage insulators. Ancient Chinese engineering wasn't about chasing novelty. It was about solving fundamental bottlenecks in energy, movement, disease, and information. These inventors found solutions so elegant and effective that, in many cases, time has found no way to improve upon them. We aren't just looking at history, we are looking at the foundation of the modern world.